this video, we will show you how to create posts on Pinterest. For example, we want to pin this URL. Then, after you sign up and sign in, you can click your profile icon in here. And we suggest you to create board before you pin, because board is make your post is 3D like this. Then you can click the plus icon in here, then choose board, and for example, you can create board with name you want. After that, you can click create. Now your board have been created. You can click plus, or you can back into your profile and choose plus again, and then choose pin in here, and this is your title. For example, this is for VirtualBox. Then you can add description and add link in here. For example, this will help you to solve error on VirtualBox. After that, you can add files. For example, let's add files. Then we can click save after that. Now our tag have been post with one pin in here, and you can click profiles, and this is contain one pin, and you can create more pin again in here. That's all.